Okay, to animate the cylinder, we need to change from this default to animation so that we can see the dot sheet and also we can see our timeline. Alright, so basically the timeline show it start at frame number 1 and the default one is 250, and you can change it to any number. Okay, so for mine now I'm changed to 100. Okay, so let's start with the frame number 1. This is the current frame, and you can see the green line. You can move to show the current frame selected. Okay, so this is my object. So the object summary, it will show all the keyframe that have been inserted into this scene. Okay, so for now we don't have any keyframe yet, and if you click and nothing appear here, right? So let's say I'm going to rotate this bone. Okay, the first one. Make sure you are now in the pose mode. Alright, I'm clicking on the right click on the top bone here and press R to rotate. Okay, so let's say if you if let's say this is your first movement, what you need to do is to insert keyframe. Okay, oh sorry. So for example, this is my default starting posture, so I need to set keyframe first. You can press A to select all bone, then press I, and yeah, we can click on the rotation. Okay, so as you can see here, you can all the bone, either referring to all the bone here. Okay, because I'm selecting all bones, you can see all bone in our dot sheet. Alright, so let's select let's move the frame number 10 and rotate this bone. Press R, rotate a little bit, and the second bone also. Okay, so I'm going to selecting these two because these two have been we change the orientation, so we need to select so that the keyframe will capture on these two bones. Alright, so make sure this frame number 10 and press I and click on the rotation. Okay, because now we are now involving with the rotation lah. Okay, so this is our to click and drag. You can hold the middle mouse button or the scroll button, okay, so that you can bring your view to left side or right side. Okay, so the diamond, it represent the keyframe. Okay, so for now I'm selecting these two bone, that's why you can see the second keyframe apply to the bone 3 and bone 4. Okay, so if let's say I move, okay, start from frame number 1 and move to the 10, so you can see the changes. Alright, so let's move to the frame number 20. Okay, and I'm going to select this the third bone number 2 actually. Okay, so press R to rotate a little bit. Okay, and again press I and choose rotation. Alright, so let's see if I bring my green here to the frame number 1 and move, so you can see the changes, the motion. And yeah, okay, move to frame number 30. Alright, and I'm going to rotate a little bit. Okay, and this one bring down. Okay, so it's better for us to select all lah, so easy. Control S, press A, and then press I. Okay, rotation. So when we play, and you can see the changes, right? So this is the basic on how to, the basic technique on forward kinematic, or we also known as a rigging with bone. So basically for the forward kinematic is very straightforward, which we need to move the bone to produce the motion for our mesh or to our object. That's why we call it as a forward kinematic. All right. Okay. So how to remove? Okay, if you let's say if you want to remove the keyframe, okay. So for now you can see all the diamond or the keyframe in yellow color, means that this is the keyframe is now selected mode. Okay, to unselect you just press A, make sure you click on the dot sheet anywhere here, and you can press A. So now the keyframe with white color, it means that this one is a unselect. Okay, so if you want to select manually, so let's say you want to move this keyframe to from frame number 30 to 50, what we need to do is to select. You can right click and select here the first one, or you can press B on your keyboard, B for box select, and click and drag the whole keyframe here. Okay, so and you can press G and bring our keyframe to frame number 40. Okay, so basically what you can do in our scene, the shortcut is you can also apply the same thing lah. For example, for the selection, okay, you can press A and A again to unselect, and you can use box select or box select to select the keyframe, and also you can press to delete. For example, you can manually select on the particular keyframe. To delete, you just press delete key on your keyboard, then you can see the delete pop up, so you can select delete keyframe. Okay, so if I remove the last one, okay, press delete, so now you can see it removed the keyframe here. Okay, so when we play, so you can see okay, so the basic theory on the keyframe, the more number of the frame in between, the animation becomes slow lah. Okay, so but if the keyframe very close each other, the motion a bit fast, right? So I think this is the basic bone rigging with bone lah. Okay, alright, so you can practice yours, and okay, thank you.